Hi friends, let's balance the given equation. The equation is for the reaction between potassium and water to form potassium hydroxide and hydrogen. In order to balance this equation, first of all, we can list out the atoms of the reactants and the products. The atoms of potassium, the next one hydrogen, the next atom oxygen. Potassium at the left hand side, how many potassium atoms are there? Here, only one potassium atom at the left hand side. At the right hand side, the potassium is how many times? Here also, only one time. Now come to the next atom, that is hydrogen. At the left hand side, how many hydrogen atoms are there? Here what is given? H2. That is, two hydrogen atoms are there. At the right hand side, the hydrogen are present at two different places. Here one place and here another place. So two different places the hydrogen are present. So if it is present at two different places, that we can show that at one place the hydrogen is present at only once. It is present only one time. At another place, the hydrogen is present how many times? Two times. The next atom is oxygen. Oxygen at the left hand side, how many atoms are there? Only one atom. Oxygen at the right hand side also, only one atom. Now we have completed the listing of atoms of the reactants as well as the products. The next, what we need to do that we need to compare the atoms on the reactant side and the product side. Potassium, both the side, the number of atoms are equal. Oxygen also equal. But this hydrogen, this hydrogen alone is not equal. At the left hand side, two atoms are there, but the right hand side, three atoms are there. Of the three, three atoms, at one place, hydrogen is present only once. That is, at odd number of place it is present. Whereas hydrogen at the left hand side is in even number. But the hydrogen at one place at the right hand side is odd number. So when the left hand side, if it is even number, the right hand side also, that atom must be in even number. So we need to make this odd number into even number. So what we are doing that we need to multiply this odd number by 2. So when we multiply this, what we need to do that this number we need to write as a coefficient for this hydrogen. So hydrogen is which hydrogen we need to mention, that is odd number hydrogen. Where is this odd number hydrogen? It is present in KOH, potassium hydroxide. There only we need to write these two as the coefficient of this potassium hydroxide. So when we write these two as a coefficient for potassium hydroxide, These two belongs to potassium atom, oxygen atom, as well as hydrogen atom. So as a result, on the right hand side, now the potassium will change. Already it was mentioned as 1, but now it has become 2 because the coefficient 2 is there. So two potassium atoms. Similarly, oxygen also will change into 2 times at the right hand side because this 2, the coefficient 2, belongs to all the atoms present in potassium hydroxide KOH. Now the right hand side is over. Now hydrogen at the right hand side, how many atoms are there? Hydrogen at the right hand side, total number of hydrogen 2 plus 2, 4. Now we can check the atoms at the left hand side. Potassium at the right hand side, 2 atoms, but potassium at the left hand side, only 1 atom. Therefore, what we need to do that we need to multiply this 1 into 2. So this number we need to write as a coefficient of this potassium. The next one is which atom? That is hydrogen at the right hand side, 4 hydrogen atoms. But the left hand side, only 2 hydrogen atoms are there. Therefore, what we need to do, this 2 also needs to be multiplied by 2. Again, this 2, where we need to write as a coefficient of this hydrogen. The hydrogen at the reactant side, it is present along with oxygen as water, H2O. So this 2 has to be written as a coefficient of water. So when we write this 2 as a coefficient of water, now hydrogen becomes 4, 2 times 2. Already it was 2 inside the formula. Now with the coefficient 2, we need to multiply 2 times 2, 4. So hydrogen becomes 4 at the left hand side. So when we multiply this water by 2, this 2 belongs to oxygen also. So as a result, this 1 will change into 2 times. Now the equation is balanced. So the balance chemical equation for the reaction is 2 moles of potassium plus 2 moles of water gives 2 moles of potassium hydroxide and 1 mole of hydrogen. Thank you so much.